guys, welcome to my weekly recap. Today I'm gonna go through what trades I took the last week and why I took them. I'm gonna start with Euro Dollar. So this is the daily time frame. So we have a descending channel and then a descending channel inside that. And then if we go to the 1 hour, I found another descending channel. So we touched the top here, went into consolidation and then a descending channel down to the bottom of the higher time frame structure. So I looked for entries right here and I saw this first this double bottom and then it broke it and went past it to catch traders on the wrong side, and then we formed a 1 hour retrace candle. A retrace candle doesn't have to be like over 100%. For me, it's just if it's over 50%, then it's still a valid candle. So I entered right here a little bit before it closed, just a few minutes. So I still was a little bit too early, but I took it and I went in with a 25 pip stop loss. And then after a few hours on this candle, when the price was up here, I moved the stop loss to break even. I was pretty quick because we had such a lot of momentum in the price, and then it went into a flag, and actually right here I was gonna scale in, so I did a scale in on this little flag. I did a scale in right here with a risk entry, but I failed and it took me out. I just entered with a 10 pip stop loss, which was way too little. If I would have entered with maybe, yeah, 20 would have took me out too, but like 25 I was still being. But yeah, shit happens. So I lost 1% on the scale in, as you can see here. And then when the price moved up here, I moved my stop loss to 2% in the first trade. And then it after a few hours, a few days later actually, on the 3rd of October, it took me out for around 2% profit. So that was the first trade I took. I took it on the Tuesday this week. Then the second trade was CAD-Yen. So right here, daily time frame. So as you can see, we have a descending channel right here, and then we were gonna expect a third touch on the top, and then we have two touches on the bottom. So we were closing in on the top of the higher time frame. So I saw this here, this top right here, and then I was gonna wait for, and then we formed a ascending channel, and then I was gonna wait for this double top, but I was actually asleep when this happened. So I entered right here with let's see, 25 pip stop loss. Then when the price was down here, I moved the stop loss to break even. Then it pulled back a little bit, was pretty close to tag me out, but I was still in it. And then it just fucking dropped like this. And I moved the stop loss to 4% right here, 4% profit. And now I'm still in the trade right here. And we have formed a correction right now, and we'll see what happens with the price. But hopefully it will keep going down to the bottom here, and then I will get around 15%. But we could also go up a little bit like this. Then maybe we could touch this again, touch this line, and then fall back, or we could go higher and then it will tag me out. But I'll probably re-enter, then we'll see. We'll see what happens. So also on the 4th of October, right here, that must have been the Friday, I think. I entered a third trade this week, which was Swiss franc yen. I entered right above this 1 hour retrace candle, right here above it. Um, and then I caught the momentum for a bit. Now it is in a correction. But this could be a really, I have a 35 pip stop loss, but this could be also a really good trade, around 7% maybe. We'll see if it reaches this top right here. So yeah, we'll see how it goes this week. Hopefully we'll have more pips and more percentage locked in. See you in the next video.